Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and today I have a fun and easy bow maker DIY for you. So I'm just using this bow maker. If you want to grab that, I will give you the link for that a little bit later. I'm going to take about 25 inches of each of the different ribbons that I'm using. I'm folding it into thirds and I'm placing it in between the wood pegs. So I'm just going to layer them back and forth, and I am flip-flopping the direction that the bow is going, the direction that the little tails are going. If you love this kind of video and you want to see more, go ahead and comment VIP. I will send you a message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Now I've taken a little zip tie and I have tied those together, and now I'm just fluffing. You guys, this is the easiest bow ever. Each little bow has its own tails, and I'm taking another one to hide that little zip tie, tying around the back, and then it's going to be the longer of the tails. So cute. You can attach it to anything, a gift, a wreath, anything. I've attached it to this cute little floral arrangement that I have. You'll see it at the end. If you want to grab the bow maker, comment bow, BOW. Make sure you like and follow my page for more decor.